Happy weekend, people. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Welcome to my live stream. Stream with me, stay with me. I'm at work. I want to edit, but I'm feeling sleepy. I just feel like I should rest before I continue. Because it's not easy. Not easy, man. You know those pictures I took some few years ago. Book launch. I hope I find the picture here. I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy if I find the picture that I'm looking for. Good morning. How are you and where are you watching me from? Hey guys, I want to edit. I'm feeling sleepy. So should I sleep before I stand up to do this? Because it's crazy, man. It's crazy when you want to sleep and you want to work at the same time and putting your face straight to the screen. Monitor is not good. I'm talking, but I'm still feeling sleepy. Sometimes it's always good that when you come to a live stream, you communicate. Maybe your local language. Just communicate and say hi. When I say hi to you, say how you doing. I say you are doing great. I'm doing great too. Life is good. Thank God for life. We can't complain. Because in this life, when you complain, you don't solve the problem. Complaint does not solve any problem. I think when you complain too much, you are putting yourself to more risk. But when you don't complain, just let everything go. All right. It's not easy, man. I'll also get some pictures here and send to my boss, bro. I'm tired. Do you think I should rest or I should continue? What do you think? Those of you who are watching me. I think it was on this day. Thank you, Jesus. I think it was on this day. Yeah. I'm trying to check some pictures and kind of tired, feeling sleepy. I don't even know which one to do first. But I think it's better to rest than to say you want to continue. I have a boss, he will wait. He will give me some. I should go and check pictures that they've took for how many years. You know. Even though I was supposed to be sleeping, just to rest my head down. He said he need this particular picture. Can I get it for him? He needs okay, you know, go rest. Now I've been looking for the picture since. But thank God I found it. I found it. And this my guy does not even like to give me money. Anytime he'll be doing as if. So what I'll copy the picture, edit it, and then send it to him. Ooh. Thank God for backup. Please, if you are into media, filmmaking, and anything you're doing, man, I think it's better for us to be looking for backup. Yeah, you need to have your backup ready for you, ready waiting for you. It's very important when you have your backup ready for you. At the point where you need anything, you don't need to struggle and look for it and check as if you want to cry. So, but backup is very, very, very important. And but there are some things that you don't have power over it, so there's no way we can have a backup. Those pictures I took them a long time ago, and they need them for me to bring them. I have to come to my system, look, check my hard disk before I got something to like present to them. So guys, I may be talking as if I'm sleeping, like I told you before. I'm super tired, but I still really need to take this because it's very important to me. What do I name this file? Birthday. So imagine coming on live video, then you are sleeping on your live video. That's what I've written. Birthday. Birth and day. Coming on your live video, then you are busy sleeping. Can I Photoshop it? Yeah, my vlog channel, travel channel, and entertainment lifestyle. So guys, this is my lifestyle. This is what I'm doing. This is what. So guys, so hold on. Don't go anywhere. Sometimes I wonder why people will be watching me. Nobody will comment. If you are here looking at me as I'm looking at you, please tell me where you're watching me from. Just drop a response on the comment section. If you're watching me there, you write something. Then I'll know that you are there. Say hi. Say hi, hi, hi. Chinese people will greet somebody. Ni hao. How. Ni hao. Those are the ones I can't find. So this is what I can see. Because I've been looking for those pictures for a very long time. Thank God I got something to send to him. So that he will allow me the rest. Allow me. All right. Or 11 minutes. So I'm going to edit this picture in my Lightroom. Lightroom. Right now I would have play music, but it's hard. We are playing music here. Facebook, YouTube will say, "Oh, we gave you the audacity." They will start doing some blockings. What do I want to do on my phone? Like edit picture. Where are my pictures? So I'm looking for them. I'm feeling sleepy, guys. Okay, now I'll copy them to Facebook. I've copied these pictures. I don't know why. So now what I'll do, I'll copy those pictures to Facebook. Guys, please subscribe. So yeah, you're there, but it's not every time you like talking. Yeah, sometimes you just want to be quiet. Guys, I'll catch you guys later. Right? It's not good that I'm here and damn, I'm not talking to you guys. It doesn't make sense. Just because I'm tired, so I just wanted to rest. But I'll be back later. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you.